To change home screen grid on the Samsung A37 5G, first of all you will have to open the Galaxy Store. Now you have to click on the applications, click on the right upper corner for the search and go for Good Luck application. Now you have to just open this one, download, open, and now we have to wait for the loading screen just a few seconds, and now we have to get the Home app plugin. When you downloaded this and open, we can now enable the home screen, click on it, and select this one, home screen grid. So as you can see now, as default, you can only find 4x6 and 5x6, but here we can even put like 7x7, and it will look like this. If you go for the settings and try to do this over here by going to the home screen, as I told you, it will be limited only to 4x6 and 5x6, but thanks to this plugin we can even get 7x7.